All right, our good friend Jay Travis very subtly suggested that we should make wings. So we're gonna make some wings. We're gonna start off making the buffalo sauce. All right, we're starting off with some hot sauce here, and we're gonna take some butter as well. We have a stick of butter to go with the hot sauce, and we're gonna start adding the rest of our seasonings. While this slowly comes together, we're gonna finish it over here on the side while we start the dredge for the wings. We're gonna take some Worcestershire. I still don't know how to say this. Some Worcestershire sauce.
You said Worcestershire.
I know. Worcestershire.
Sam, Worcestershire. Worcestershire. There's not 7 S's.
Worcestershire sauce.
Worcestershire.
It's been a long day. Got some garlic powder, some onion powder, some paprika, salt, and pepper. Slowly melt this down till all the butter's melted. Let it come together. We're gonna finish this over here on the side so that we can get started on the wings. Start with this dredge. We've got our flour here, and to that we're gonna add some cornstarch. All right, to this we're gonna season it with some paprika, some garlic powder, some onion powder, a little bit of cayenne, not too much, don't want too spicy, some pepper, and some salt. And we've got our dredge mixture here. We're gonna take our wings, throw them in there because it's gonna throw flour, apparently. Be sure to get in all the crevices, make sure there's flour everywhere. You need this to be fully covered with flour by the time you're done dredging it. Otherwise, it's not gonna be crispy. All right, we've got this chicken dredged. We've got this oil up to 375 degrees. It's time to fry. We're gonna do these a few at a time. Be careful frying anything, obviously, but don't overcrowd it. We're gonna be frying these for 8 to 10 minutes. Then we're gonna toss them in the sauce. Sure. All right, we've got all our wings fried up. We're gonna drain them onto a paper towel lined bowl and let them rest. All right, we've got our buffalo sauce here. Let's see if we can't make a mess. Let's add our wings here to the plate. Let's give it a try. It's gonna be pretty hot. Pretty crispy. Couldn't ask for a better wing. Jay, I hope this is good enough for you. The bone comes off pretty easy. So tender. Sauce is amazing. And he's laughing at me. Make that. I promise it'll be worth it. So that's it for these wings. Thanks for the recipe idea. We look forward to hearing what you want to see us cook next. It would mean so much to us if you would go to our YouTube and subscribe to that to help support us. Until next time, thanks for watching.